These beautiful things that I've got. I want you, I need you, oh God. These beautiful things that I've got.
Here are 5 fascinating facts about your cat's eyes. 1. Cats have a reflective layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which allows them to see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. 2. Cats can move their eyes independently, allowing them to track multiple targets at once. 3. Cats are dichromats, meaning they can only see blues and yellows, but not reds and greens. 4. Cats blink slowly to conserve energy, but also to communicate love and trust. 5. Cats have a 200-degree field of vision, compared to humans who have 180 degrees. Cat eyes are truly remarkable. They play a vital role in their hunting prowess, and their ability to navigate their surroundings.
Hello, it's me.
There's a kitty trying to get out of his hole. Did his thing in the litter box and now he's lost control. Finally he can see it crystal clear. Go ahead and just get up, but now we gotta finish our song. Please go back. Hit your flap against the wall. Make a song with me. Box and you made it into a beat. Yeah.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Pipi.
Vậy bạn ơi.
You how are you? What are you doing?
This is a deformed kitten with 4 ears. He thought he would be disliked because of his physical defect, but he didn't expect his owner to treat him this way. The kitten hid in his mother's embrace, worried that the man in front of him wouldn't like him, but the man adopted him right away. The little guy seemed to know he was different, so he was very timid. He often wandered around his owner, wanting a hug but afraid of being rejected, so he could only watch from a distance. The kitten's pitiful appearance made the owner very heartbroken. To bridge the gap between them, the owner often bought him many gifts. Feeling the love, the little guy began to become lively, and his adorable appearance made the owner like him even more. In the owner's eyes, this wasn't a cat with 4 ears. This was a little elf bringing happiness. Although he was different, fortunately, the kitten had an owner who loved him.
Welcome to